Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Minecraft package install issue as it conflicts with existing package. Every time you attempt to sideload or install an APK file on an Android device, this error is displayed. Now the first thing to do is to go to your settings, scroll down, and look for app management. Click this one, go to app list, and then scroll down and look for these features. You can type it directly on the search bar. So the first thing that you're going to look is Google Play Services. Tap the first one. All you have to do is to click the storage and clear cache. Tap clear cache. Now after clearing this Google Play Services, you can go back and look for Google Play Store, which is the second one. Tap this one, click storage usage, and then clear the cache again. Tap clear cache. Once you're done with this, you can go back again and kindly look for package installer. So once it appears, all you have to do is to click this one and then do the same thing. Go to the storage usage and then clear cache. Tap this one. After that, go back and you have to search for the last one. You need to look for download manager, okay, which is this one here, the first one. Go to the storage usage and tap clear cache. Once you're done with this, you can now exit your phone settings. And then the next thing to do here is go to your Google Play Store and click your profile here. Tap this one and then go to Play Protect. Now tap this gear icon or settings and then kindly toggle this one off. I mean the both of it. Toggle it off. Okay, so after that, I am pretty sure that your problems are now fixed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.